Hello ladies and gentlemen, Repchess here. Just want to show you this very easy study. It's quite useful, I guess, and we can learn some things. So what's happening here? It's white turn to move. White is trying to queen the pawn on h8, and black has some issues. So they cannot capture this pawn with the king. Yeah, cannot stop it because pawn is just too far away, and this pawn is kind of also stops the king. But anyways, I think this pawn is not that important because according to this rule of square, king just cannot capture this pawn. So the main idea how black defends is to play d3 and then just stop this pawn from queening with their dark square bishop. But it's white turn to move, so white has to stop it. The best way is somehow to block this pawn. So if you play something like c3, yeah, and black, let's say, takes the pawn, yeah, in order to play c2, but white has this bishop c2 idea, which actually blocks the pawn on going to c3 and then going to h8. So this also doesn't help because of the bishop d3, and again black is not in time to capture this pawn. But black in this case can counter sacrifice. They can play d3, and unfortunately if white takes, the only logical move, bishop takes c3, and I mean there is no blockade anymore and black has defended. So c3 doesn't work out. So white starts with c4, check. Yeah, check is important because it wins the tempo. Black has to respond, otherwise black would play d3. So let's grab a pawn. And in this position, white wins with only move, which is bishop to d3 check. Again, it wins the tempo, so black is not in time to maneuver, and the pawn on d4 is blocked. So if they capture here, then h7, and easily winning with queen h8, and this position is like +5 for white after king f4. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.